Good morning, girls and boys. It's time for our math lesson this week. Last week, we used this tool to help us solve some addition problems. Remember? It's called a number line. We use this a lot in our classroom. And we can also use this tool to help us solve subtraction problems. And that's what I'd like to practice this week. So I've written some subtraction problems here that I was hoping you and I could solve together. Remember, in a subtraction problem, the big number goes first, and then the minus sign, then the smaller number, then the equal sign. So let's look at number 1. 10 minus 7 equals. So the bigger number here is first, and it's a 10. That means we need to find a 10 on our number line. And I found this cool little arrow that I'm going to use to mark where the 10 is. Help me count so we can find it together. Okay, let's just say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let me put my arrow over the 10 so we can remember where that 10 is. Because it's important to remember where you are on the number line if you want to get the right answer. There's our 10. And the second part of the equation was this minus sign and then a 7. That means we need to go back 7 spaces to find the answer to this problem. So we're going to jump backwards. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number is right over my finger? The number 3. That means the answer to our problem 10 minus 7 is 3. Let's write the 3 in the answer line. All right. Thank you for helping me with that. Oh, we have another one now. Let's look at this one. 12 minus 6. Okay, so I have to find the 12 first. And look, I'm just going to count up because I know that 12 is really close to 10. 1, 2. There it is. There's 12. I'm going to move the arrow over the 12 so we can remember where we are on our number line. See? The arrow is right over the 12. So the rest of the equation was 12 minus 6. That means we need to jump back 6 spaces. Please help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. We jump back 6 and the answer is 6. 12 minus 6 equals 6. Ooh, I like that one. All right, let's look at the next one, number 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 3. Okay, that means we need to count and find the 8. Help me count. 1, 2, wait a minute. I forgot the 0. Oh, I made a mistake. All right, let's start again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we found that 8. You know what? I made a mistake, but that's okay. Everybody makes mistakes. 8. And the rest of the equation was minus 3. So that means we need to go back 3 spaces to see what the answer to the problem 8 minus 3 is. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What number's right over my finger? The 5. That means that 8 minus 3 equals 5. All right. We've only got a couple more to do and then we're finished. And I don't know about you, but I am enjoying working on our number line with you. All right, let's look at number 4. 5 minus 4 equals. Okay, so that means we need to find the 5. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. I almost skipped this 0, but I learned from my last mistake. I'm not going to forget that 0 anymore. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me put my arrow right over the 5 so I can remember where I am on my number line. Because you can't get the right answer if you lose your place on the number line. So there's the 5 right under the arrow. The rest of the problem was the minus and the 4. That means we're taking away 4. And take away means we go that way. So help me count 4 so we can find out the answer to this problem. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What number is my finger under? The number 1. That means 5 minus 4 equals 1. Okay, we're on the last one. So excited. All right, we're on number 5, and that's the last problem we're going to do together this morning. Ready? Help me read it. 9 minus 7 equals. Okay, that means we need to find the number 9 because it's the larger number in the equation. That's where we need to start. So help me count, and let's remember that 0. We're not making that mistake again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There it is. Let me get my blue arrow and stick it on there so we can remember where that 9 is. There it is, right over the 9. And the rest of the problem was, do you remember? I don't. I need to look at it again. But that's okay. 9 minus 7. 7 is our second number. That means we need to take away 7. And take away means we go that way, back toward the very beginning of the number line. Okay, ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's that number right over my finger? That's the 2. The answer to this problem is 2. Let me write a 2. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Look at that. We did 5 math problems together and we got all of the answers right. And that's because we were using our tool correctly. I can't wait till we can see each other again and use our number lines in the classroom to solve some more equations. Well, boys and girls, I will see you next time. Bye.